Hi, this is Daniel from Swingarm Moto. It's been a long time. Recently, we were extremely busy moving to new factory, so I don't have much time to introduce product with you. Today I want to introduce two aluminum Swingarm and one motor that moves made by ourselves. The first one is our single-side Swingarm designed for an 8 kW hub motor. If you are looking for a quiet and comfortable riding experience, one less maintenance, and tired of traditional hub motor design with ordinary appearance, this solution could be the perfect choice. By using a hub motor structure, we save more space here in the middle of the motorcycle, allowing us to install a large battery. The battery capacity up to 120 to 160, so it makes the riding range much longer. The second one is this 15 kW bill motor water cooling and this Swingarm, which took us more than 700 days to develop and make mood. The biggest advantage is extremely strong torque and acceleration. 0 to 100 only 3.5 seconds. By the way, many clients may recognize this ring. It equipped with 8 kW bill motor before. The first one motorcycle with this ring is manufactured by us. But time proves that motor is short, so we find a new motor to replace it. It's coming soon.